Tonight's episode of Will It Weld, I stole Andrew's soapstone holder because it's one of the Garbaggio ones. See, it doesn't even work. The guy probably just pretends like it works because, maybe it does. Oh, maybe it does.
Oh yeah, sorry, he's not here.
We're gonna order him one that isn't complete junk, but we're gonna weld his to the table so when he comes in the morning. Sorry, Andrew. Still not here.
Jesus.
The screw just kind of melted right off there and dropped in. Might need a little more amperage.
Why is it so loud?
That's really nice. Whatever the nut inside of it was, not sure what it was, but it was an aluminum. And now it's a part of my aluminum weld. Well, Grandma, added strength to your aluminum lawnmower this time. It might not be aluminum. Give me something magnetic. What did you do to my Ricolas? Ricola! We definitely thought that was aluminum too. Like, we didn't even test it. We were just like, no, 100% aluminum. I think. Oh.
Is this thing aluminum and nothing else?
Not aluminum? Aluminum. Or stainless. Not stainless. Wow.
That you do.
I think I'm breathing in too many fumes. Well, now I gotta try welding it to carbon steel. That's not fair.
Thanks. Oh.
I can't believe I got it to even stick though.
So why is the aluminum so loud? Oh, like you switch the mode on that thing? Constantly? Oh, okay.
Works better on the aluminum.
Yeah.
I mean, it's working. It just melts so weird. Like, squish it? It would weld nicely. Huh?
Yeah.
Add some contaminants to it. It's really hot though. Yeah, because of the plastic off the handles. Started well, okay. Stainless?
Better. Alright. Nice.